And new tonight, the COVID-19 pandemic has put a lot of lives on hold, but for some, it's actually becoming a legal burden.
With courtrooms shut down, prosecutors say cases are not being solved. 41 Action News reporter Ariel Rothfield shows us how.
Like so many offices around the country, the number of cases waiting to be tried keep piling up.
We have not had a trial in over a year, and we're still not intending to have a trial for another couple of months.
Since COVID-19 was declared a national emergency, every state has either canceled or scaled back in-person criminal court proceedings. In Leavenworth, that means the county attorney has more than 230 cases he can't move forward with.
If everybody's going to trial and doing trials, then not everybody is able to do the other work that's necessary, which is reviewing cases.
To help with the backlog, Leavenworth is looking for volunteers, whereas in Johnson County, commissioners recently approved a $1 million request from the district attorney to hire 3 new attorneys and 1 trial assistant.
I went to the county commission and said, I need some additional help.
And the numbers show why. Right now, there are at least 300 felony cases, 400 domestic violence cases, 200 DUIs, and 54 severance of parental rights cases, all stalled waiting for in-person hearings to resume.
As we try to erode this backlog, we are still continuing to see cases come in the door. And so that's the pressure that prosecutors and, quite frankly, the judges are facing, is trying to start whacking away at that backlog so we can get back to normal numbers.
Kansas has a law protecting a criminal defendant's constitutional right to a speedy trial. The law requires jury trials to take place within 150 days of an arrest if a defendant is in custody, or 180 days if a defendant is free. If a defendant is not tried in that time, their case is dismissed without the possibility of refiling. But because of the pandemic, lawmakers suspended the rule for 2 years.
One of the things that we're always concerned about is how many jurors can we safely bring in?
Trials are scheduled to resume in Johnson County beginning of June, with precautions in place like dividers between seats. But as the district attorney warns,
our criminal justice system in the United States doesn't work unless we have jurors. That's just part of the process.
Because even with additional help, neither Johnson nor Leavenworth counties will be able to dig out of the backlog without jurors. Reporting in Leavenworth, Ariel Rothfield, 41 Action News.